ओके सर जी, ठीक है। आप हाँ आप हाँ हाँ, दवा हाँ दवाई है ना, दवाई का आप एक बार मेरे पास वापस कर दो।
Good morning, everyone. Beta, quickly send me your names. ये एक हैबिट बना लो बेटा, जब भी जिस क्लास में भी आप ज्वाइन होते हो ना, then just quickly send the names. किसी भी सब्जेक्ट की हो, send your names. And even change the names wherever it is not your name.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Beta, two names are missing in the message box. One more. Who has not sent me your name? Quickly send it. There are only 12 names, but 2 more names are required. I think Saurabh, you just joined, you did not send me the name. Send it. Prince, send the name quickly. Type your name in the chat box and send. One more name is missing. See, I'll just read out. If any name is missing, then tell me. Sumit, Tejasvi, Nilesh, Tamanna, Rohit, Dakshraj, Anurag, Ravinder, Gaurav, Sarita, Raghuraj, Sheherbano, Saurabh Joshi. These are the names which I have. Others, those who have not sent, quickly send it. And meanwhile, beta, in the homework only 12 of them have attempted it. And out of 12 also, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 have finished the homework. Rest only just started the attempt and did not finish it. और बाकी के तो जो है वो शुरू ही नहीं हुआ. बेटा अटेंडेंस मेरे पास कम आ रही है, एक बच्चा कम है. चेक कर लोगे आपने मैसेज किया है ना, नहीं किया हो तो मुझे भेज दो. Okay then, beta. Let us start now. Will not wait more.
Yes, sir.
So operations for the the rational numbers I have already told to you. Now let
Yes,
us
sir.
discuss the properties back. One by one, I'll discuss all the properties. So now I think you can see this.
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here if you see, you are having the properties of rational numbers. Now the properties, if we discuss, the first property comes closure property, which we have already done. Now for whole numbers, if you just see here, it is showing you that 0 plus 5, it is also 5. Means if you take two whole numbers and add them, the result is also a whole number.
Whole numbers.
Or in general, you can say a plus b is a whole number for any two whole numbers a and b.
B.
So result is whole numbers are closed under
Close.
addition.
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 So I'll not just take much time because we have already done this. Subtraction, if you see 5 minus 7, 5 is a whole number, 7 is a whole number. And if you are subtracting them, you get minus 2. Now this minus 2 which is there, this is not a whole number.
Whole number.
So we say that whole numbers are not closed under subtraction.
Subtraction.
Multiplication, if you see 0 multiply 3. Now 0 is a whole number, 3 is a whole number, and 0, the product is also a whole number. So second example, 3 into 7, if you see, 3 is a whole number, 7 is a whole number, and the product is 21, which is again a whole number.
Whole number.
So in general, if A and B are any two whole numbers, their product
They-
is a
AB.
whole number.
Number.
So whole numbers are closed under multiplication.
Multiplication.
And if you see the division, 5 divided by 8, we cannot divide 5 by 8, so we write it as a rational number 5 upon 8, which is not a
Which is not
whole number.
Whole number.
Even if you do it and write the answer in decimal, like 0.9 and continue,
No.
if you do it, this decimal is also not a whole number. क्योंकि जो decimals होते हैं वो whole number नहीं होते. But whole numbers, they can be decimal, like 4. 4 is a whole number. लेकिन हम 4 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4.0. तो अब ये क्या बन गया? डेसिमल बन गया. So whole number can be a decimal, but a decimal cannot be whole number.
number.
अब ये 9.1 डेसिमल है. अब डेसिमल को हम होल नंबर नहीं बोल सकते. हाँ, अगर ये सिर्फ 8.0 होता तो हम कहते कि ये एक होल नंबर, लेकिन 9.1 होल नंबर नहीं.
नहीं है.
So whole numbers are not closed under division.
Division.
And one more example for division which is there, और जिसमें आप ज्यादातर गलतियां भी करते हो, that is say 4 divided by 0. अब 4 divided by 0 करोगे, then it is not
Not.
defined. हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं. We cannot divide any number by 0.
Yes.
So we say it is not defined. तो ये
Zero.
एग्जांपल भी हमें ये शो करता है कि whole numbers are not closed under division.
Division.
Then same is for integers. इंटीजर्स के लिए शायद मुझे नहीं लगता कि रिपीट करना होगा. रैशनल नंबर्स के लिए भी सेम है. लेट मी कम स्ट्रेट अवे टू द टेबल, द फाइनल व्हिच इज देयर. दिस इज द फाइनल टेबल. So these are the numbers: rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers.
Whole number.
और आपको ये बताना है कि these are closed under. ये किस में closed है?
Close under.
Like natural rational numbers, they are closed under addition, they are closed under
Yes.
subtraction. What about multiplication? रैशनल नंबर्स के लिए मल्टीप्लिकेशन में क्या होना चाहिए कि a मल्टीप्लाई b
Yes.
is also rational.
AB.
दो रैशनल नंबर्स को हम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो हमारा जो रिजल्ट है वो क्या आना चाहिए? रैशनल नंबर आना चाहिए. इज इट देयर? होगा या नहीं होगा?
Yes, sir. होगा.
होगा. It will be there. So here we can say it is yes.
Yes.
Division, no.
No.
Integers, integers के लिए क्या
Yes.
करोगे? It is it
Yes.
closed under addition?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Closed?
Yes.
Yes. Subtraction, it is yes. Multiplication,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
it is yes. And division, it will be no.
No.
Then whole numbers, they are
Yes.
closed under addition.
Yes.
Yes.
They are not closed under
No.
subtraction,
Subtraction.
closed under multiplication, but
Yes.
not closed under
No.
division.
Division.
And natural numbers, if you see, they are closed under
Yes.
addition, no under subtraction,
Multiplication.
yes under multiplication,
Multiply. Yes.
and no under division.
Divide is no.
So this is
Division.
Division. सर ये नोटबुक में करना है।
ये टेबल आप बना सकते हो नोटबुक। So this I have already forwarded you the PDF ना। PDF मैंने आपको
Yes,
पहले से
sir.
फॉरवर्ड किया हुआ है, तो उसी PDF में ये आपको मिल जाएगा पेज। This is let me just tell you the page number. It is page number 4. आपका जो बुक है पेज नंबर 4 पे ये टेबल बना हुआ है। This is for closure property.
Yes, sir. बना हुआ है.
So now next, if you continue, the next property is commutative property. Commutative property for addition, subtraction and all, what will be there? If you have two numbers a plus b, the sum will be equal to b plus a. अगर ऐसा हो तो हम कहते हैं कि दे आर कॉम्यूटेटिव। a माइनस बी नॉट इक्वल टू b माइनस ए, तो हम कहते हैं नो। यानी हमें दो नंबर्स
No.
लेना है और उनको ऑर्डर चेंज करके हमें इनको सॉल्व करना है। ये हमें चेक करना होगा कि इक्वल होंगे या नहीं होंगे। For multiplication, it will be a multiply b and b multiply a.
B into A.
Division, it will be a divided by b and b divided by a.
B divided by A.
तो यहाँ हमें
A.
चेक करना है कि whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, then it is yes, and
Yes.
if they are not equal,
No.
then it will be no.
No.
तो ये हम हर तरह के नंबर के लिए चेक करेंगे, whether it is natural numbers, whether it is whole numbers,
Whole number.
whether integers, or
Multiple.
whether
Rational number.
rational number. So we are going to check this for all the numbers. So first of all,
Yes.
here it is given to you as whole numbers. तो whole numbers में addition में देखो 0 plus 7 and 7 plus 0, दोनों का रिजल्ट सेम होता है, 7 ही होता है ना।
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
तो
sir.
a plus b is equal to b plus a,
A.
और इसलिए हम ये कहते हैं कि addition is commutative.
सही. Commutative.
सेकेंड जो एग्जांपल है 2 plus 3, इसको हम लिखेंगे 3 plus 2, और 3 plus 2 और 2 plus 3 दोनों का सम जो है वो क्या होता है 5।
5.
दोनों में ही 5 आता है, both have 5 as the result.
Yes.
So again it proves
Yes,
that
sir.
addition is commutative.
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 Same for subtraction. If you see, let us take the same example 0 and 7. So 0 minus 7 and
7 minus
7 minus 0.
0.
अब 0 minus 7 क्या होता है?
Minus 7.
It is minus 7.
Yes.
7 minus 0,
7.
it is 7. Now here the difference is different. The result is different. So it
Yes,
is
sir.
not
Minus 7 and
equal.
7.
And being not equal, subtraction is not commutative.
Commutative.
अच्छा, एक चीज बेटा ध्यान रखना, commutative ये जो प्रॉपर्टी है, इसको आप लोग मिस्टेक करते हो, इसमें आप बोलने में कम्युनिकेटिव बोलते हो,
Commutative.
है ना। तो इस चीज का ध्यान रखना that it is not communicative, it is commutative.
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 Yes, Rubina?
Commutative.
Yes, sir.
Sir, कुछ नहीं.
Commutative.
It is commutative. Now multiplication, if you see,
Yes.
0 multiplies 7
Zero.
and 7 multiplies 0.
7.
Now will the result be same? Result दोनों में same होगा या नहीं होगा?
होगा सर.
What will be the result in both the case? 0 multiplies 7. What will it be?
7.
7. Is it 7? 0 multiplies 7.
0.
Yes, Gaurav?
0.
0. And what is 7 multiplies 0, Nilesh?
Sir, 7. 7.
0 multiplies 7.
0. 0, sir.
Sir, 0 में.
Sir, 7.
7.
Yes,
Sir, 7
Sarita?
होगा.
Sarita?
7.
Tamanna?
Sir, 0. 0.
No, I am asking
Sir, 0.
Tamanna.
Sir, 7.
Friends?
0.
0. Anurag?
Sir, 0.
0. But whether it is 0 multiplies 7 or it is 7 multiplies 0, the result will always be 0.
Yes. 0.
0 को आप किसी से भी multiply कर लो, you will always get the same result. That is 0 itself.
0.
So these two are equal. ये दोनों equal हैं. And because they are equal, so multiplication is commutative.
Commutative.
And now if you see division, 0 divided by 7,
0.
7 divided by 0.
It's
So
not.
Tejasvi, what is 0 divided by 7?
Sir, not defined.
Ikshika, 0 divided by 7.
Sir, 0.
Okay. Khushbu, what do you have to say?
Yes, sir. Sir, it's 0.
It is 0.
0.
Beta, there is a name Himanshu Saini. Just make sure that it is changed. Student का नाम होना चाहिए वहाँ पे, because Himanshu Saini is no student of class 8. Vaibhav, make it Vaibhav there instead of Himanshu. Yes, Ravinder, you raised your hand.
सर नॉट डिफाइन होगा.
Which one? 0 divided by 7?
यस सर.
Okay, Khushbu, what about you?
Sir, 0 divided by 7 is equal 0 and 7 divided by 0 is not defined.
Yes. When 0 is divided by 7, then it is
7.
0.
7.
And when 7 is divided by 0, then it is not defined.
Not defined.
अभी मैंने आपको बताया था पिछली प्रॉपर्टी में that when we divide any number by 0, किसी भी नंबर को जब हम 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं, it is not defined. वहीं अगर हम 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे, then it will always be 0 only. But here again, the results, they are not same, so division is not commutative.
Commutative.
Next, if we talk about integers now,
It is into
Addition. Say 5 plus minus 3 and minus 3 plus 5. What will be the result there?
2. 2. 2.
No, what will be the result?
Sir, 5
Manish.
plus minus 3 is equal to 2.
Manish,
Yes, sir.
tell me what will be the result?
सर किसका बताऊं?
What is 5 plus minus 3?
5 plus
Minus 8.
Minus
plus
Rohit.
2.
Rohit.
Sir, 8. 2. Sir, 2.
For 2 it is okay, but I am asking Rohit and he is not replying at all. Aksharaj, quickly tell me minus 3 plus 5.
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 plus 5.
Sir, 2.
It is 2. So both the results are same. Hence addition is commutative. Saurabh, quickly tell me the subtraction. 5 minus minus 3. Saurabh,
Yes, sir.
quickly beta.
Sir, that subtraction wala.
Yes, this 5 minus minus 3. And
That
Sandeep?
8. Sir, 8.
8. Okay.
Sir, 8.
Yes, 8. Then Sandeep, what will be minus 3 and minus 5?
Minus 8. No, sir, only 8.
Yes, yes, Ravinder, you raised your hand. You want to say something?
Sir, minus 8.
Yes. The first one, this is equal to 8 because it will be written as 5 plus 3. And the second one, which is there, minus 3 minus 5. This is
Minus
equal to
Minus
minus
plus.
8. So both the results are not same. It is not equal. And subtraction is not commutative. Now multiplication. 5 multiply minus 3 and minus 3 multiply 5. Rubina, quickly tell me the first part. 5 multiply minus 3.
So minus 15.
Minus 15.
15.
15.
Yes, Dikshika.
Minus 15.
The second one will also be minus 15.
15.
So multiplication is commutative.
Commutative.
Now division of integers. So 5 divided by minus 3 and minus 3 divided by 5. Will these two be equal?
Minus 15. Minus 15.
Better not multiply. I am asking division. Division में multiply थोड़े करोगे.
Sir, not equal.
They are not equal. And
They are not.
it can be taken like this also. 5 divided by 0 and 0 divided by 5. Again, 5 divided by 0. Will it be 0 or not defined?
Not defined.
Not defined, sir.
This
Not
is
defined.
not defined. And 0 divided by 5 is 0.
Zero.
So division is not commutative?
Two.
Khushbu, raise your hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you wanted to say something?
Yes, sir. Y minus 3 divided by 5.
5 divided by?
No, sir. minus 3 divided by 5 क्यों हो गया?
क्यों हो गया?
Yes, sir.
We are talking about commutative property and commutative property में क्या बताया था कि दो नंबर्स को डिवाइड करना है इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. A divided by
Yes,
B
sir.
and B divided by B. A. If they are equal, then we say they are commutative. And if they are not equal, then we say they are not commutative.
Equal.
तो ये हमें चेक करना है कि A डिवाइड बाय B और B डिवाइड बाय A इक्वल है या नॉट इक्वल है. तो इसलिए हमने ऑर्डर रिवर्स कर दिया. रिवर्स करने पर हमें क्या मिला कि दे आर नॉट इक्वल. सो डिवीजन इज नॉट commutative. So the same way for rational numbers, integers, whole numbers and natural numbers.
Natural numbers.
ठीक है, ये commutative property के लिए टेबल बना हुआ है. It is on page number 6 of your book.
Yes. Yes.
You
sir.
have to just fill it and write it down in your notebook. Okay? इसमें दो numbers लेने हैं, a plus b and b plus a. Subtraction में a minus b and b minus a. Multiply a multiply b and b multiply a. Division a divided by b and b divided by a. If they are equal तो आप yes करोगे. If they are not equal तो आपको क्या करना है? No. तो ये कर लोगे ना पूरा इस होमवर्क को?
Yes, sir.
So let it be
Sir,
just
don't
only as your homework.
सर दोनों टेबल करनी है क्या नोट?
Yes, दोनों टेबल. So that closure and commutative दोनों टेबल एज अ होमवर्क कर लो. और जो होमवर्क मैंने असाइन किया हुआ है उसमें आज का टाइम और है. So do that also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, anybody having any doubt?
Sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then quickly those who have joined later on, just send me the names, and you have got your new class. So just get ready for that class now. You are left with only 5 minutes. I think only Vaibhav joined at the last. उसके अलावा तो कोई नहीं है ना जिसने ज्वाइन किया हो बीच में? Okay, beta then. Bye all of you. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay.